Welcome to Tammy's Ripping Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious carrot muffins with some cream cheese icing. Hope you enjoy. I will have the full recipe in the description box below, but here we have the almond flour, carrots, applesauce, brown sugar, flax egg, spices, and some coconut oil. I do make my own almond flour out of my almond pulp. So I've got that in the food processor. I'm going to add all the other dry ingredients and then give it a mix. And now it's time to add the wet ingredients, the coconut oil, flax egg, and the applesauce. And once again, we'll mix it well. And now you can just scrape down the sides and it's time to add the carrots. And now you're just going to want to pulse it until it's all well combined. So you'll also want to have your muffin tins all lined with your liners and also preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I use one of the biggest cookie scoops that you can find, and I find it works great for the muffins. So just spread out your batter evenly and they'll be ready to pop in the oven for about 30 minutes. So While those are in the oven, I'm going to show you how to make some cream cheese icing. I'm adding half a cup of vegan cream cheese and a half a cup of butter, and you're going to want to blend that well. So that's all blended, you can add in your 2 teaspoons of vanilla and your 2 cups of icing sugar. And you're going to want to mix it till it's nice and creamy. And now you're just going to want to put it in an airtight container until your muffins are all cooled down. I put it in the fridge last time and it got a little crusty on the top, so I prefer to keep it out now. Just keep it out and make sure your muffins are fairly cool when you go to put it on. So the muffins are all done. We're going to let them cool on the counter and then it'll be icing time. I find it's the perfect amount for 2 dozen muffins. And you can sprinkle them with some more cinnamon or some walnuts, whatever your heart's desires. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.